We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the youth baseball sunglasses for boys and girls aged 6 to 12, designed for softball, cycling, and other sports. These sunglasses come from the Sekov store and have quickly become a popular choice among parents and young athletes alike. Our review covers everything from design and comfort to durability and overall performance, giving you an expert perspective on what users appreciate and where there might be room for improvement. The sunglasses are lightweight, making them comfortable for kids to wear during active play. Many users report that their children barely notice they have them on, which is crucial for sports where distraction can affect performance. The fit is generally praised as perfect for children between 3 and 12 years old, with multiple reviewers noting that the glasses stay securely on their kids' faces without slipping. This is especially important for baseball and softball, where clear vision and eye protection are essential. The lenses effectively block out sunlight, helping kids see the ball clearly even on bright days. This feature has been highlighted as a major benefit, with children expressing that the sunglasses help them perform better on the field. The glasses also offer protection against wind, which is appreciated during outdoor play. In terms of aesthetics, these sunglasses have a cool, sporty look that appeals to kids. Many parents mention that their children feel like the coolest kid on the field wearing these glasses, which can boost confidence and enjoyment of the game. The product includes a drawstring carry bag that doubles as a cleaning cloth, adding convenience for storage and maintenance. However, there are some concerns about the build quality. While the glasses feel lightweight and comfortable, some users mention that they seem cheaply made compared to high-end brands like Ray-Ban. Despite this, the glasses have held up well through a baseball season and rough handling, such as being tossed in a baseball bag with other gear. This durability is a strong point given the typical wear and tear kids' sports equipment undergoes. The price point is considered very reasonable, making these sunglasses a good value for families who do not want to invest in expensive eyewear that children might quickly damage. The product is highly rated with an average of 4.4 stars from over 1,000 reviews, indicating broad satisfaction among users. Some minor drawbacks include the fact that only one fabric case and cleaning cloth come with the package, even when multiple pairs are purchased. This could be inconvenient for families with several children. Overall, the youth baseball sunglasses from Sekov are a practical, stylish, and affordable option for young athletes needing eye protection during sports activities. They combine comfort, effective sun protection, and a kid-friendly design that makes them a favorite among children and parents. We encourage viewers who own these sunglasses to leave their own reviews in the comments to help other families make informed decisions. Remember, the link to this product is in the description and using it supports our channel. This review is based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis to provide a thorough understanding of what makes these sunglasses a popular choice for kids' sports eyewear.